And retail traders, I decided to have my cup of joe and look at the market. And the first ticker I usually look at will be the SPY. That's the first one I go to every morning. And I just wanted to see where it was, but I wanted to also talk about the Megaphone Pattern, how I trade a Megaphone Pattern, which how you could wake up the next morning and find it at support in case we had like a major sell-off or something. So Megaphone Pattern is when you have two diverging lines that broaden out. In this case we had a triple bottom, and I probably called that out Friday morning. Say, hey folks, we got a snake with a triple bottom, we're going to have a breakout. Boom, back up to the pivot point area, and that's exactly what happened. Well, the next morning I woke up, you take this same diverging line, which is the support on this Megaphone Pattern, and a Megaphone Pattern is a broadening formation as a price chart pattern identified in technical analysis. It is characterized by increasing price volatility in diagram of two diverging trend lines, which I was talking about earlier, that diverging trend line, one rising and one falling, and that creates your megaphone. And you can trade that and find a pivot point even inside of that megaphone if you wanted to use that as a support or a resistance once it broke out of it. So we're going to go back to that chart, and this is what we come up with this morning. Now keep an eye, pay close attention to this bottom low support on that Megaphone Pattern, and we pulled right back to it this morning. So it's pretty easy to go ahead and call this trade out. Now the only bad thing about it, I wish it happened at the bell, and I would have probably taken this trade. So you take that bottom part of that diverging support line, see if it catches support the next day, and then boom, that's a perfect idea to call out a trade. And that's called the Megaphone Pattern with Washboard Jim. And I'll go ahead and include this encyclopedia link down there in the bottom of the content when the video comes out. And have a great day, retail traders.